today we are doing my favorite thing ever, which is home decor shopping. We are going to go to a few places. I think we're hitting up Home Goods, Target, maybe some thrift stores, see if we get lucky and find anything. We haven't really been furnishing a lot in our home or decorating it. I think we bought the big pieces like the dining table and the couch and the console. We did the guest room, which is actually our main room right now where we're sleeping. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So we're taking it slow, but I do love browsing. So I think that is what we're doing today, and I'm going to take you guys with me, and hopefully we get lucky and find something cool. Okay, let's go.
I don't like marble.
Okay, we are home. I want to show you guys what I got. This basic shirt. It's just a basic white shirt for fall. Love the rip here. We didn't find too much, but there was this really cute bath set that I really liked. I really like this. We have a lot of stone and ceramics and cement type of material in the home, so I really like this for our bathroom upstairs. We haven't done anything in our bathroom upstairs because there's no AC, so we've been living on the first floor this whole time. But since fall is coming, it's not going to be so hot up there, so I'm super excited to furnish it and decorate it and make it actually feel like home, because that is our actual bedroom up there. We got this, a soap dispenser for the bathroom. And then this one, it's super cute. It's kind of like a set. It says rinse on it, and we were thinking of putting our toothbrush in it. I really liked it. It was on sale for $4. Really happy about that. Then we have this. I want to put it on top of the toilet and then put maybe like a diffuser so the bathroom can smell good, and maybe a plant or something else here for decor. I don't know. Yeah, I love it. That's literally all we got today. I also bought a lamp recently, and it's coming next week, and I'm super excited. We went shopping again today. To be fair, we stayed home for the whole weekend, and then we went shopping today. We only picked up plants and a couple of home decor things. Let me show you. So I picked this up from Whole Foods, and it's really pretty. I am going to spray paint one of my blue vases black in a little bit so that I can put that plant in there. But let me show you what else we got. So we just got this little stool for the plant, and it makes it a little bit taller. We also just got this from Home Goods today. It was on sale for $25. I was thinking maybe another like frame here and here with like pictures of me and Kyle so that it can feel a little bit homier. I also just got this plant for my office. That was my quick little haul. I'm getting ready to paint a vase outside in the back. show you the vase that I DIY'd the other day. It dried and I put flowers in it. Here it is. She is so pretty. Alright, I'm gonna put my hair up so I won't get any pimples on my forehead. Tie it up. I'll clip it in. And then now your blowout will last for probably a week. I'm going to be journaling and making some plans here. These are actually pretty good.
I know, right? Because it's so light.
It's very thin.
Mm-hmm.
You're making toast?
It's like, I don't want to tell you what's in it. I just want to tell you, I just want you to try it.
It's some questionable ingredients.
It's not questionable.
Wow. Look at that care.
You like my stash?
Your skin is so pretty.
It just be like that.
Kyle said he's making me toast, so I'm just sitting here.
I'm making myself toast.
I thought you were making me toast.
And I'm gonna let you have some to see if you like it, and then I'll make you one if you want it. Why would I make you one if I don't know if you like it or not?
Well, I don't know. That's the same as making me one, isn't it?
I guess.
Kyle is making himself toast. So I'm just sitting here on the counter. It's my favorite place to sit. Because right here, you see the food. The kitchen is so messy. But that's another story for another day. I also told you guys that I would be scheduling and planning stuff into my planner. That didn't turn out very well because I still didn't write anything down. I have no idea what I'm doing. I feel like I need to get back into it, take care of myself. Which I actually have been because I've been working out. But
every day.
Yeah, I have been working out every day at 8 a.m. So I feel really good about that. But in terms of like, well, forget it.
Really
So his toast is ready. This is his toast, not mine. His. Wow, that looks like pizza.
You gonna try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's interesting.
You don't like it because there's honey on it.
Things that are not supposed to be sweet shouldn't be sweet.
I'll make you one without
In my
honey.
opinion. Yeah.
Call it basic.
Anyways, he wants a redemption because he didn't like my reaction to his toast. And to be fair, yes, I do have a basic palate. And I like my food very simple and I like it to taste the way it's supposed to taste.
And no sweet.
And yeah, I don't like sweet stuff on
Non-dessert stuff.
On non-dessert stuff. Well, I mean, actually, I wouldn't mind honey with bread by itself, but then the fact that he put honey cheese on top of the cheese. Honey and cheese for me. I think that is it for today. I am going to try to do a full home tour this weekend, so wish me luck. Hopefully I'll have enough lighting and battery in the camera and everything like that so that I can film it. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.